Hi there, students. Never the twain shall meet. Okay, this is actually a quote from a poem by Rudyard Kipling, but we use this as a saying, meaning that two people or two things are so completely different, they're so unsuitable for each other, that they are never going to be able to agree. They're never going to be able to get on. So, I don't know, my uncle is a hardline conservative, and my aunt on my mother's side is a staunch Labour voter, and they just don't get on. They're always arguing. So never the twain shall meet. Yeah. Okay. The two families had a feud, and never the twain shall meet. They got on really, really badly. Okay, so it says that two things are just too different to exist alongside each other. I don't know, nature and big business, never the twain shall meet. Because if they do, then they're going to start fighting with each other, and business, I guess, is going to destroy nature. Okay, it means there's so many differences between two groups of people or two groups of things that they can't exist together in the same place or in the same situation. Yeah, there are foxes and there are chickens, and never the twain shall meet. Because if they do, then something is going to happen. Yeah, the fox is going to kill the chickens. Or, for example, in academic subjects, they're split into arts and sciences, and never the twain shall meet. Okay, they don't reflect the difference, each other. They're always arguing with how each one deals with things. Okay, so never the twain shall meet. Two groups are so different that they just can't get on together. Or maybe farmers and landowners see life in a very different way. The landowners want a profit, and the farmers have other things. Okay, so never the twain shall meet. Yeah, that's quite good. I come from Oxford, and in Oxford we have the two groups: town, the people from town, and gown, the people of the university. And there have been over the last 1,000 years or so, there have been huge fights and riots between them. So yeah. We've got town and gown, and never the twain shall meet. Because if if they do, they start to fight with each other. Maybe not. Okay, so let me go to the origin of this. This originally comes from a poem by Rudyard Kipling called The Ballad of East and West. Oh, east is east and west is west, and never the twain shall meet, till earth and sky stand presently at God's great judgment seat. But there is neither east nor west, border nor breed nor birth, when two strong men stand face to face, though they come from the ends of the earth. Okay, so this is actually the first line of a poem. It's about a tribal chieftain on the northwest frontier who steals the prize horse of a British colonel. Okay, and then they meet and they don't get on at all. Well, there's a lot more to it. I'll let you read it. Okay, so never the twain shall meet. It's saying they're going to be huge problems. I don't know, yeah, Manchester City are playing Manchester United today. And as you know, both sets of supporters support their team very strongly. So they've got to separate the two crowds, because never the twain shall meet, or there's going to be fighting. Okay, that's one thing I didn't explain, this word twain. Okay, twain is a very old-fashioned word meaning two. Yeah. Um, okay, so yeah. Us twain were the light moved around us twain, us two. Yeah. Twain cups of wine and water, two cups. Yeah. Okay, and this is the meaning of the word twain. But okay, this idea, never the twain shall meet. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Never the twain shall meet.